The police of Amtali police station detained 13 Bangladeshi citizens coming India illegally on Tuesday night at Biswas in the Hapania Hospital premises. Among the arrested are 11 male and 2 female. Police presented them to the court on Wednesday. Once again, the police of Amtali police station detained 13 Bangladeshi citizens coming India illegally on Tuesday night at Biswas in the Hapania Hospital premises. Among the arrested are 11 male and 2 female. After interrogation, they admitted that they came to India through Bangladesh Tripura border illegally without any proper documents. After the interrogation, it was further learned that they were forced to enter Tripura illegally with no other options left because of the Bangladesh condition is very bad and that they were happened to live hidingly in their country. Some of them were seen injured on their leg and other parts of the body. Later, police presented them to the court on Wednesday. The Amtali police have started taking the investigation. Reported by Amit from Chini, Khorang.